Hello students, I am Mrs. Kavita from Mount John Metric Higher Secondary School. I welcome you all for the online class of subject 8th Standard General Knowledge. Let us see the topic How Cinema Developed. Chapter number 38, it is in page number 64. The name of the chapter is How Cinema Developed. Let us see the first point. The bioscope was the first movie projector. What was the name of the first movie projector that can be used in a movie field as bioscope? The first film ever shown consists of a number of very short films of about 6 seconds. And in what duration they just telecast the first film is only 6 seconds. They just telecast. The time duration for the first film is 6 seconds only. Let us see the points that is used to solve the crossword puzzle that can be present in a book page number 64. The first one, across. This type of film shows moving cartoons. We already learned in your computer science what is meant by moving cartoons. Moving cartoons means it indicates a word called animated. Okay, animation means moving cartoons. So that type of film shows moving cartoons means animation. The answer for the third one, across, first animation. This is a type of films shows moving cartoons. Little Nemo, it is the name of the first animated movie that can be described with a time duration only 2 minutes. It is a silent film, but it shows the moving cartoons. Okay, it is the first movie that can be made with the help of animated cartoons. On to the next one. Silent film. Silent means without any sound or without any dialogues. That can be showed as to help the viewers understand what was happening on the screen. How the viewer can understand the story with the help of subtitles. Silent film shows subtitles. With the help of that subtitles only the viewers can understand the story. Okay. Today that subtitles is called as intertitle. Okay. These are now called as intertitle. Stanley Kubrick in 1971. The name of the film is A Clockwork Orange. This is the name of the first film. That film uses sound technology. Before the year 1971, they just displayed only the silent films. In that year 1971 only, they just use a new type of sound technology in the movie called A Clockwork Orange. What was the name of the sound technology means? Dolby. Dolby is the name of that sound technology that can be used in a movie A Clockwork Orange. Next, the first real film was shown here. Where the first real film was shown? Okay, Berlin. Berlin is a place where the first real film was shown. It is a capital of Germany. Okay, by who means Max Skanowski. Max Skanowski in the year July 1895, that person displayed the first real film in the place Berlin. Berlin is the capital of Germany. Now, underline important keywords. Moving cartoons. What is the name of the first moving cartoon? Little Nemo. Time duration only 2 minutes. They just created the animated movie. Silent film means it is called with the help of subtitles. They just underline it. The other name for subtitles is intertitles. Then A Clockwork Orange was the name of the first movie. That movie used a special type of sound technology called Dolby. The real film was first shown by Max Skanowski in the year 1895 and month July in Berlin. Berlin means it's the capital of Germany. Move on to the down. The first one. The first Indian filmmaker who made a film called Raja Harishchandra. So what is the name of the first Indian movie means Raja Harishchandra. In the year 1913, they just created the highest award in cinema in India today is named after him. So, what's the answer for this one is Dada Saheb Phalke. Was the name of the first person who created the movie called Raja Harishchandra. Dada Saheb Phalke. That is a person who was called as the father of our Indian cinephile. That person created the first movie called Raja Harishchandra in the year 1913. Today, the highest award in the cine field that can be given by means of that person named Dada Saheb Phalke Award. The first fully computer generated, with the help of computer generated, they just created a movie by means of a person called Pixar. What was the name of the movie? Is Toy Story. Okay. Then a film with sound. Without sound is called as silent films. A film with the sound is called as talkie. Earlier film which had no dialogues were called as, we already learned, silent films. How the person can understand with the help of subtitles, they just understand it. What is the name of the subtitle? Intertitle. Today the subtitles are called as intertitles. These French brothers, the name of the French brothers was, the answer means Lumiere. Lumiere is the name of the French brothers. That brothers first show the films in December 1895. It's time to fill up the important keywords. You just underline it. First Indian filmmaker, Dada Saheb Phalke. Was the name of the film means Raja Harichandra in the year 1913. The highest award in cine field is Dada Saheb Phalke Award. First fully computer generated film, that is the name is Toy Story. Next, film with sound was called as talkie. Without dialogue means silent films. Then Lumiere belongs to the country called France. Okay. Now let us fill the crossword puzzle with the help of the question we just learned. The first one. Number 3, animation. Number 6, subtitles. Animation means moving cartoon. Subtitles, without dialogues, the person can understand with the help of subtitles. I already told you. Next, the special type of sound technology they just use is Dolby. Next, Berlin is a place where the first film was displayed. Next, father of Indian film industry, Dada Saheb Phalke. Next, sound without sound. Movie without sound is called as silent movie, without dialogues. Next, with sound means talkie. Next, computer generated film, Toy Story. Next one, the French brothers name, Lumiere. Now it's time to fill the quiz question. India's first film. The answer is Raja Harichandra. The first India's film is Raja Harichandra. First full length motion picture that can be released in the year May 3rd, 1913. The name was Raja Harichandra. The first chain of Indian cinemas, Madan Theatre, they just displayed 10 movies continuously. First color film made in India is a Hindi movie, Kisan Khania. This is the end of this lesson.